Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by Lucid Quest. BioAtla received FDA alignment on its Phase 3 trial of Ozuriftamab vedotin in HPV-positive oropharyngeal cancer. About 300 patients will be randomized against cetuximab, docetaxel, or methotrexate. Accelerated approval will hinge on overall response rate confirmed by independent review, while overall survival is required for full approval. Phase 2 showed a 45% response rate and median survival of 11.6 months. Cellworks validated its ΔTRI classifier in non-small cell lung cancer. In 328 patients, 22% labeled high-benefit gained survival from chemoimmunotherapy, while 78% had no advantage over immunotherapy alone. This PDL, one independent tool, may guide treatment and reimbursement discussions. Regeneron reported a 5-year update from Empower Lung 3. Libtayo plus chemotherapy achieved median survival of 21.1 months versus 12.9 months with chemotherapy, hazard ratio 0.66. 5-year survival was 19.4% versus 8.8%, with benefits across histologies and PDL1 groups. BioNTech and Bristol Myers Squibb shared interim Phase 2 results for pumitamig, a PDL1 by VEGF-A bispecific plus chemotherapy in extensive-stage small cell lung cancer. In 38 evaluable patients, response rate was 76.3%, disease control 100%, and median progression-free survival 6.8 months. Safety was manageable, and Phase 3 is ongoing. Intensity Therapeutics updated the Invincible 4 trial in presurgical triple-negative breast cancer. The first patient achieved pathologic complete response, though enrollment was paused to address skin irritation. The Phase 2 trial tests 2 doses of INT230-6 prior to immunochemotherapy. Revolution Medicines released data on daraxonrasib in pancreatic cancer. In second-line, response rates were 29 to 35%, with median progression-free survival around 8 months and overall survival 13 to 15 months. In first-line, responses reached 47% for monotherapy and 55% in combination. Phase 3, Resolute 303, starts in late 2025. Agenus gained French approval for reimbursed compassionate access to botensilimab plus balstilimab in refractory colorectal cancer without active liver metastases. Earlier studies showed 20% responses and median survival near 21 months. Phase 3, Batman is planned. Corcept announced FDA acceptance of its application for relacorilant plus nab-paclitaxel in platinum-resistant ovarian cancer, with a PDUFA date of July 11, 2026. Phase 3, Rosella, and prior Phase 2 data showed improved progression-free and overall survival. Johnson & Johnson reported FDA approval of ENHERTU, an intravesical gemcitabine system for BCG-unresponsive non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. Complete response was 82%, with 51% durable beyond 1 year. The device is outpatient inserted and remains for 3 weeks per cycle. Finally, Daiichi Sankyo and AstraZeneca announced EMA validation of their tumor-agnostic ENHERTU application in HER2-positive metastatic solid tumors, supported by trials showing meaningful responses across multiple cancers. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.